Hello everyone, Ludmel here. Welcome to my Influx Reload review. Today I'm going to show you how looks the Influx Reload inside of the members area. Influx Reload is a new system that basically teach you about CPA, cost per action, and this is how it looks. I'm going to show you more in detail, but let's go back to my bonus page, and in here you see that Influx Reload is a new method or a new system that pay you when people download free products or filling a form. There is nothing to buy, which means that there is no risk for the people who download the product. That means that you can cash in big using this system. You get a great system when you grab Influx Reload through my link that is below this video, and when you grab Influx Reload through my link, you will have access to my custom bonuses. That is a great package of custom bonuses that I made for you. But you to be able to have access to my custom bonuses, you have to grab Influx Reload through my link that is below this video, and when you click in the link below this video, you will be redirected to my bonus page, and is in here when you click in any of these red button, you have access to my bonuses for free when you grab in the front end Influx Reload. But let me explain you that this is live, and when the launch is live is the time to grab my custom bonuses for free. I have dedicate a lot of time and effort putting all these custom bonuses for you, just to give you more value when you grab Influx Reload through my link. And but let's go okay, let me remember you that this launch is live between May 26 and May 29 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. After that, all these bonuses disappear, and I don't want you to miss out this great opportunity to grab all my custom bonuses for free. Let's go to see what are my custom bonuses all about. And in here, in bonus number 1, you have a bonus tutorial that is Boomerang Body Pro. That is a product by the super affiliate John Armstrong. I give you access to Boomerang Body. In bonus number 2, you have access to a bunch of exclusive bonuses as well from John Armstrong. These are very good content that you will be very lucky in having. In bonus number 3, you have access to a hack buyer traffic funnel that will be increase the value of Influx Reload. In bonus number 4, I put a bonus tutorial that is you have access to Insurgency. This is a great product also from John Armstrong, and it will be enrich all the value that you are obtaining when you grab Influx Reload through my link. In bonus number 5, I put together all the bonuses that the vendor gave to me for me to give you. For those that decide to grab Influx Reload through my link, you are going to have access for free through all my custom bonuses, and also all the special bonuses that are exclusive from the vendor, that are exclusive for me, for those that decide to grab Influx Reload through my link. Well, but be aware that the timer is running, and when this timer hits 0, all these bonuses disappear, and you miss the opportunity if you don't take action as soon as possible. And well, let's when you click in any of these red buttons, you are going to be redirected to the sale page that is in here. Okay, and in here you have also a statement that earn up to $359 per sale, promoting Influx Reload system that your customer will love. In here you have a welcome video as well, and this is also in the front end. When you grab Influx Reload, in the front end is for a value of $95. That is a really good price. And then you have the upsells. You can upgrade your product for in the Upsell 1, Influx Reload Pro, for $27. In the Upsell 2, you have Influx Reload Done For You for $47. In Upsell 3, Traffic On Demand for $97. In Upsell 4, you have Reseller License for $77. You in Upsell 5, Done With You for $147. In Upsell 6, you have access for by IP bundle for $29. And in here you have also all the explanation about the different upsells. And in here, these are the creators of these systems. You can see Frankie, Dan, and Guy. Let's go back to my bonus page, and let's see in here. Well, you have more information about what are you receiving in any of these upsells, but I remember you that even if you grab Influx Reload in the front end, this is for a value of $13. You have access to the new and improved Influx Reload training videos, which will teach you how to use Frankie's secret traffic source to make 100 plus daily without selling any product online. Free and paid versions are covered. We have also included our exclusive Profit Maximizer software that finds the best selling and trendiest niches for you. Well, the upsells are optionals if you want to go for the upsells, but when you grab the front end, Influx Reload in the front end, you have access to all my custom bonuses for free, and also all the vendor bonuses for free. And you have to be aware of that. And well, in here you have some key benefits that you may be interested in getting. The breakthrough system, the free traffic opportunity, get paid without a single purchase required. This method is basically in 3 easy steps. Start earning in the next 30 minutes, full training included, VIP support. Well, you have a great value in all my custom bonuses and all the vendor bonuses as well. Well, now is your time to decide, and you have to be aware that the timer is running, and I don't want you to miss out this great opportunity. Well, this review bring me to the end of this video, and I would like to let you know that I'm very happy in every opportunity that I have to present you a different review, and thank you for taking the time to watch my Influx Reloaded review. Take care, and to the next time. Bye bye.